equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin with, ensure you have the right tools at hand. You will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. These tools will help you access the internal components of your Dyson HS01 safely and effectively. First, unplug the device to ensure safety. Once it's disconnected, locate the screws on the back of the handle. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. After removing the screws, gently pull apart the handle to access the internal components. You may notice dust and debris accumulated inside. This is normal, but it's crucial to clean it out to maintain optimal performance. Use the soft brush to gently sweep away any dust, being careful not to disturb any wiring. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. Next, take your microfiber cloth and lightly dampen it with water. Wipe down the internal surfaces, ensuring you don't get any moisture on the electrical components. This step is vital for preventing any potential damage. Once you've cleaned the inside, it's time to reassemble the handle. Align the two halves carefully and replace the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening as this can cause damage. Now, let's move on to the filter. The Dyson HS01 has a removable filter that should be cleaned regularly. To do this, locate the filter cover at the back of the device. Press the release button and remove the cover. You'll see the filter inside, which can be washed under running water. Allow it to dry completely before reattaching it. Remember, if you're unsure about any of these steps, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify any issues and guide you through the maintenance process. After cleaning the filter, reattach the cover by clicking it back into place. It's essential to ensure it's secure to prevent any airflow issues during use. Finally, plug the Dyson HS01 back in and perform a quick test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any unusual sounds or performance issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, regular maintenance of your Dyson HS01 hairdryer is crucial for its longevity and performance. By following these steps, you can ensure your device remains in top condition. If you prefer, our services include no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to keep your hairdryer in excellent shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.